Hi, I'm Gary Patterson, corporate chef here at McCormick for Chefs, and we're going to make a little Old Bay tiger sauce. So it's going to start with 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. You can use light, I like heavy. It's going to be 1/3 cup of sour cream, and then 1/3 cup of horseradish. I like fresh, but prepared works really well in a pinch. We're just going to plop that in there, and then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of Old Bay and combine this together rather quickly. Now this makes a great spread, and we're going to demonstrate this on a po' boy sandwich, but think about pit beef, ribs, spreads on other sandwiches. It's got great flavor for seafood, but like I said, roasted meats and things like that, it goes really well with. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some, and I'm just going to slather some sauce nicely, and you can see it's got a nice consistency to it. Slather that on there, put it on the top and bottom. And then we're going to hit this with a little bit of lettuce and tomato. And we've done this as a little bit of a twist on the classic po' boy. So lettuce and tomato, like I said, and these are actually Old Bay fried oyster mushrooms. So I'm calling it an oyster mushroom po' boy. Super crisp and delicious, and just a nice way to use it. And then you can also use this as a dip with fries as well. Serve it on the side if it's takeout or carry out or delivery. Just a nice addition. Amazing on French fries, and a super simple sandwich to do when done properly. Enjoy. I hope you appreciated our tip.